Mango, I'm back. Mango habanero. How you doing, everybody? As you can see, I've been ordering stuff again. So this is some mango habanero. It's from the same rib candy people. And I thought, wow, you know we got to put it on chicken. We just got to see what it tastes like. So I got a chicken, and I put some of the Susie cubes. It's kind of like a salt, pepper, garlic type rub on it. Oh, if you hadn't ordered any of that, you need to try it. Just try it straight up. And I put it on my chicken, try to get it up under the skin, and we're gonna let it cook on my Vision grill, ceramic grill, for about 2 hours at indirect heat. Get the chicken about done, then we're gonna put on some of this mango habanero. We're gonna try it, and I'll let you know how it goes, but I really appreciate you watching and trying out all these new recipes with me. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you tried this and you like it, don't like it, let me know. But anyway, let's get the grill fired up and get started. Thanks for watching Cooking with Cam. All right, we're about an hour into this cook. Let's take a look. Running about 275. Oh yeah, it's looking good. See how our pellet grill's doing. Oh yeah, looking good. All right, I think I'm about step totally out of my norm here. Try something different. We'll put this chicken in this, and then we're going to put some of the mango on it. Shake this up. Okay, let's put her back on the grill here. Got her on the grill. Bird bath. See what it looks like. Okay. Let's try this out. Wow. A little bit of sweet with some heat, but it's not too hot. So try some mango bird bath. I poured it in right when I wrapped the chicken. I let it cook in there for a little while. Then when I got done, opened it up and I poured a little more on the outside, and it's just right. So anyway, try some mango chicken. Thanks for watching Cooking with Cam.